Hey there everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on any of my latest reviews and recommendations. Today I am super excited to talk about a game-changing product that has completely revolutionized the way I light up my home: the motion sensor light. Wireless LED night light Type-C rechargeable light cabinet wardrobe lamp staircase backlight for kitchen LED. Let me tell you, this little light has made a huge difference in my life. Whether it's illuminating my kitchen cabinets, wardrobes, or even the staircase, this wireless LED light is an absolute game changer. The best part? It's rechargeable with a Type-C port, so no more wasting money on batteries. Not only does it provide a bright and reliable light source, but the motion sensor function means I never have to fumble around in the dark looking for a switch. It's perfect for those late-night trips to the kitchen or navigating through the hallway in the middle of the night. The sleek and modern design of this light makes it perfect for any space. And the fact that it's wireless means I can easily mount it without any messy wires or complicated installation. Now, I know that seeing is believing, so I urge you to click the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing product. Trust me, once you experience the convenience and practicality of the motion sensor light wireless LED night light, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So don't wait any longer. Go ahead and make the smart investment in your home and grab one of these lights today. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.